That's an epic rap battle. I'd like to see Zlatan versus Hitler, but
क्या है ये, क्यों है ये ओपिनियन मेरे हिसाब से? लाइक
मतलब
आई लाइक बोथ ऑफ देम.
people are just savage, मतलब for no reason. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Sports Doin. I am Kushag, and here we are back with our unpopular opinions. Episode 2, if I might add. Aaj, what we will be looking at are primarily football opinions of the people who did respond to the questions that were asked on the TSD account yesterday, and let's see what all opinions we come through and what all Vijay and Rohan have to say about them. The opinion goes like individual awards, player of the years, team of the season, XYZ are just pointless vanity fueled exercises. So guys, Rohan, I'll start with you and then come to you, Vijay. What are your opinions on that?
ये क्या है ये, क्यों है ये ओपिनियन मेरे हिसाब से? मतलब क्या सब बेकार है, सब कुछ बेकार है, कुछ ना करे, मतलब खेलना छोड़ दे क्या? तो लाइक व्हाट डज आई रिस्पेक्ट जिसने भी ये ओपिनियन दिया, नथिंग अगेंस्ट हिम और हर, बट खेलने का अस्तित्व क्या रह जाएगा अगर आप ये सारी चीजें हटा दोगे? तो क्यों आए हम लोग खेलने? मतलब मैं भी चला जाता हूँ फिर खेलने, अगर कुछ होना ही नहीं है, कोई अवार्ड ही नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, सब मजाक बना रखा है, तो छोड़ दो, चिल करो. सो वेरी
I guess उनका मतलब होगा for like it's a team sport, so they're not looking at individual awards. Maybe I don't know.
no, but that doesn't make sense according to me. मतलब अगर हैरी केन इतने सारे गोल्स मार रहा है एंड उसके बाद अगर आप उसको वो गोल्डन बूट नहीं दोगे, तो बेचारे के पास वो मोटिवेशन सिर्फ ये रह जाएगा कि टीम को जिताना है, क्योंकि ट्रॉफी तो वैसे भी नहीं जीतनी. तो एकमात्र मोटिवेशन जो उस बंदे के पास रह गया है कि शायद एक गोल्डन बूट जीत जाऊं अपने लिए. सो अभी हैरी केन के कैबिनेट में कुछ ना होता अगर ये इंडिविजुअल अवार्ड्स ना होते तो. सो आई थिंक इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वो बंदे के मोटिवेशन के लिए. सो रिस्पेक्टफुली डिसएग्री फ्रॉम माय.
Vijay, what about you, man?
So if that's called respectfully disagreeing, then I really would like to hear him, disrespect the dude. But yeah. Yeah. Individual awards. I mean, what are all those YouTubers who make the edited videos of Messi, Neymar, Ronaldo, Harry Kane, all of those going to do if the individual doesn't matter, right? Are we going to just are we just going to keep watching the billiard balls versus FIFA? I don't think so. With respect to, I mean, I think more when you're in a club, you want to win the trophies for the club, but when you look back and they ask you whether you're a club legend or not, it quite depends on how great an individual or the individual value you brought to the team. Like, I think, let's say a very unpopular player can be a very pivotal player just based on his individual contributions to a team. Top of the mind comes to Ashley Cole. Then I guess people that we don't like, Luis Suarez, right? If that guy was considered a team player, then he's hated. I think it was love and hate, right? Like you hate Suarez, you love Liverpool, Barcelona, and Uruguay. I don't think you can say Uruguay and Africa anymore. Yeah, true. No, but now the guy has made us love Atletico, right? Like I cried with Suarez. Yeah. I've cried at Suarez, I've cried with Suarez, and I've called him the crocodile with crocodile tears. So yeah.
The next one. I think I'll start with Vijay. Vijay, I don't know if it's an unpopular opinion. I think it's become more of the accepted opinion now. Zlatan's narcissism has stopped being cute now.
You said Nazism or narcissism?
Narcissism.
Okay. Cool.
Narcissism. Cool. He's a narcissist.
I think the only reason he wouldn't be a Nazi is because he wouldn't agree with Hitler being on top of him in the hierarchy. but yeah, but that's an epic rap battle. I'd like to see Zlatan versus Hitler. But yeah, let's not go there, right?
Yeah, really not.
Yeah. But yeah, like Zlatan is to football what Rajnikant is to cinema, right? Like it's pure entertainment. And I think when you come up with individual awards, that's the one guy who it seems like on purpose he refuses to win the team once. Like he leaves the club and then they decide, like, you know, let's win the team award.
Yeah, actually, it's just adding to your point. The only European trophy he ever won, he literally had to get injured for his team to win it.
एक तो एक क्वेश्चन है, विजय भाई एकदम अलग डायरेक्शन में ले गए, मेरा दिमाग हिटलर की तरफ ज्यादा चल रहा है, क्वेश्चन ओपिनियन की तरफ कम चल रहा है. बट आई थिंक इट वाज नेवर क्यूट. पहली बात तो मैं कहूँ, इट वाज नेवर क्यूट, इट वाज ऑलवेज सैवेज, इट वाज ऑलवेज एंटरटेनिंग. So and I think it has become cute in the sense अब हमारे लिए वो क्यूट बन चुका है because we are used to it. So I think मेरा एकदम ओपिनियन उल्टी तरीके से चल रहा है कि वो पहले सैवेज था एंड अब हमारे लिए क्यूट हो चुका है बिकॉज अब हम वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं इब्राहिमोविच से. अगर वो नहीं देना वो, तो हम कहेंगे भाई आप इतने अच्छे मत बनो, प्लीज गिव अस द ओल्ड सल्तान बैक, प्लीज गिव अस दोस ओल्ड सैवेज कमेंट्स बैक. सो हमें इब्राहिमोविच से वही चाहिए. आई थिंक एज फैंस हम लोग को अब इतना हम लोग दिल पे नहीं लगाते कि और उसने ऐसा कैसे बोल सकता है वो. वी आर नॉट टू क्यूट फॉर दैट नाउ. हम जाएंगे ट्विटर पे हा लॉल करने जाएंगे और इब्राहिमोविच हमें वो सबसे ज्यादा कंटेंट दे सकता है. सो लेट हिम बी व्हाट ही इज एंड वी आर हैप्पी.
ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट ओपिनियन फिर से एक बार स्टार्ट करता हूँ. इट्स पीपल्स ट्रैश टॉक असाइड, Jose will give the greatest comeback ever by any manager at Roma next season. All right, Vijay, once again, I'll start with you and come to Rohan. You both being Chelsea fans, तो थोड़ा तो बताना बनता है तुम दोनों का.
I mean, I honestly, to be honest, like Chelsea have had like this many managers, but how many of those managers have fans of themselves after leaving Chelsea? I think Jose is one of those few managers.
Only Jose.
You know, I've literally heard people, I don't support Chelsea, I don't support Real Madrid, I support Jose Mourinho. And there's a reason. And it's because he reminds them of their dad. An asshole who gets results until he becomes too old to stop being just an asshole. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Welcome to adulthood, kids.
So what about...
That's all.
So Roma में भी क्या? We're looking for the 18-month counter.
Yeah, see, honestly, the best case scenario for Jose is to understand that the players that used to make his kind of football work, and I don't mean physically or tactically, but I mean mentally. Like, you know how you watch a team perform badly and you're like, why don't they show more conviction? Where is the dum and all that BS? That doesn't exist anymore. This is a job for people who get paid money to play football and showcase their talents, and it's sort of a democratic process now. The whole leaders in the dressing room, the word leader is sort of changed, and it's one of those reasons I think I'm sorry, I'm going on a tangent, but I think Emma Hayes or like female coaches are like going to be part of the future, because more than the whole I think Rohan mentioned it earlier when he said like Zlatan is still being Zlatan, but the audience is sort of moved away from his Zlatanism, that whole macho alpha dog sort of mentality. I think modern day players can't have it because they're not brought up with that stuff. Like now, if Jose did the stuff, like, you know, I remember Frank Lampard saying that he was naked in the shower, was catching his balls, and then Jose came and told him, I'm going to make you the best midfielder in the world. If that happened to like Timo Werner, he would like go and file sexual harassment claim, and you know,
yeah. I mean, come to think of it, I would never want a manager into the shower when I was.
But what if that made you one of the best midfielders in the world?
I mean, price to president. Rohan, so would you? Rohan, 100 बात की एक बात. Would you take a shower with Jose then?
I don't mind if he's ready to take me. I think Jose Mourinho can get the best out of me as well. So I have been a big fan of Mourinho. So if he calls me,
notice how he didn't say shower. He said take me.
सैक तो वो होंगे आगे जाके because that's the trend. So like उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बोल रहा, but I think he will do well because like for Mourinho is like especially for Chelsea fans, हम लोगों का वो एक attachment है ही, कुछ भी हो जाए. बाकी लोग कुछ कहते हैं not special one anymore, ये वो धानु, बट एक टाइम पे अगर वो स्पेशल वन थे तो वो है हमेशा, दैट्स फॉर एटर्निटी। ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप एक दिन स्पेशल हो अगले दिन नहीं हो। सो दैट इज वन टेक।
Alright.
सेकंड फिर वो वही आता है, वो शेर कितना भी बूढ़ा हो जाए वो शिकार करना नहीं भूलता। इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट फॉर मोरिनो एंड आई थिंक ही विल सक्सीड।
All right. The fourth one is Pochettino is the most overrated manager. Experienced Pochettino is equal to inexperienced Pirlo. Rohan.
Okay. So, like
मतलब
I like
people are just savage, मतलब for no reason. But Pirlo और Poch को कैसे compare कर सकते हैं?
फर्स्टली आई थिंक कर तो सकते हैं, बिकॉज कंपैरिजन में क्या है, लोग कुछ भी कर देते हैं। सो आई डोंट थिंक उसमें कोई इशू है, लोगों को बकवास करने को मजा आता है। सो दैट इज फाइन, ओपिनियन है। बट पोचेटिनो के अगेंस्ट आई थिंक एक अलग एजेंडा चल रहा है। फर्स्टली एक तो वो पीएसजी जाके बेचारा हार गया, सो नाउ तो एवरीवन इज अगेंस्ट कि वो बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं कर सकते। बट आई कंप्लीटली डिसएग्री। आई थिंक व्हाट जो उन्होंने स्पर्स के साथ किया है दैट इज ट्रेमेंडस। वो बहुत अच्छा है। लाइक ऐसी टीम को चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल तक लेके जाना विदाउट अ बजट, आई डोंट थिंक उसके अलावा उनकी तारीफ करने के लिए कुछ ज्यादा होगा। सो आई थिंक ही नीड्स टाइम टू स्टिल प्रूव हिमसेल्फ एज अ चैंपियनशिप विनिंग मैनेजर। बट ये जो ये पर्लो और पोचेटिनो का जो उल्टा सीधा कंपैरिजन है, आई डोंट थिंक इट मेक्स सेंस, बिकॉज़ अभी पर्लो भैया भी अभी आए हैं। बट स्टिल अगला जब फुल सीजन प्रॉपर मिलेगा, आई थिंक ही विल प्रूव हिज वर्थ, prove his metal. So I think Pochettino is a good manager and he doesn't need to be like discarded like this.
I think more than anybody else, the perfect person to answer that question correctly is any Arsenal fan ever. Because I think this season, I remember when the whole points table were jumping up and down, and the main thing that I found was if Tottenham lose, like when Leicester were winning, Arsenal would be finishing above Tottenham after 6-7 years. And I remember when I was younger in college, the stick was there's a Tottenham's Day or something, right? Where that doesn't exist anymore because Pochettino came in and he essentially did a Wenger, because if I remember correctly, Wenger's whole philosophy was build a core of young English boys in your team and then build around that. Isn't that what the Tottenham team of, let's say the Leicester title winning season, let's say prime Tottenham, weren't they that exactly? And I think that was also a season where Arsenal led in January, right, the table. So I mean, I'm just saying, like, you can see how Pochettino does not have to win to be considered a good manager, because those are some of the most and Tottenham were coming from a place so beneath Arsenal. Now when they say Spurs and Arsenal in the ESL, everyone's more surprised at how dare Arsenal pretend to be worthy, right? And you use Pirlo to insult Pochettino? Like, what is that? That's like using a fire Pokemon to kill an electric Pokemon. It just doesn't make sense. Like, you're just doing nonsense. Yeah.
Charizard and Pikachu never worked, is it?
Yeah.
The next one will come to you, Vijay. I'll start with you first. Prime Fernando Torres is the best striker PL has ever seen.
I've never met the guy. Like I've never supported that man, so I would not be the guy you're supposed to be asking. I have to disagree, because I literally know people. I know strikers, or I like strikers, or I think strikers. There are a lot of strikers that are better than prime Fernando Torres, whether that's wearing a Chelsea shirt, Liverpool shirt, or Atletico. And just watching Aguero yesterday just makes me like, that's yesterday. That's not even prime Aguero, right? That's not even Aguero with the O's at the end. This is just Aguero's end, and that was still like spectacular to watch. So I think there are easily better strikers than prime Fernando Torres in the Premier League.
But yeah, firstly इस statement के लिए prime word use करना ना, I don't think it makes sense. आप ये prime
नहीं, qualifier बना देते हैं ना आप उसको.
हाँ, मतलब like prime Rohan Gulati is better than any footballer. like what does that mean? Like prime Rohan Gulati can score anywhere. I scored one beautiful goal, like one of the best goals in the school history. So that is my prime. So like am I better than Cristiano?
I think Jose would have a different definition, Rohan.
Yeah. So I don't know like what is prime in that way, because आप player का best को आप क्या किसके best से compare करो? I think जैसे विजय भाई ने बात करी कि अगुएरो को कल का भी आप गिनाओ, so he has been amazing for the last few seasons and that was beyond his prime. उसका prime age खत्म हो गया काफी time पहले. So I don't want to get into this extended discussion, but I think there have been big Fernando Torres fan, but I think there have been many better strikers than him in the Premier League.
Exactly. Just लोग सोचते हैं कि प्राइम डाल दो या कुछ डाल दो तो ये it just probably accentuates the player or something like that. But नहीं यार, I think even a prime Fernando Torres. First of all, how long was Fernando Torres prime anyway?
I'll tell you how unpopular that question is, because you can replace Fernando Torres in that question and it would be more, and it would be a better question.
I could say prime Shearer. I could say prime Henry,
prime Thiago Silva,
prime Rooney. Yeah. I mean, like we could just keep going on and on, but yeah. So yeah, I don't think we would agree with that. Fernando Torres was fantastic, and that's about it, boys. Thank you so much for joining us. These were our opinions, from Jose being trash to Zlatan being trash. We came out, we got to know a lot of few things. Just one thing for sure, Torres ain't it.